How much does homeowners insurance cost? Actually, this is a simple question, but it has a lot of factors that determine it. So let's quickly go over the two most important factors that determines the cost of homeowners insurance. The first one is the market value, and the second one is the replacement cost. The market value can be determined by the location of the house, the size of the house, how big the house is, and the replacement cost can be the cost of rebuilding the house, the structure of the house, if the house is an old one or a new one. In some cases, some old houses can be more costly to rebuild than new one. So those are the two main things that determine the cost of insurance for homeowners. For example, the market value can be affected depending on the city the house is, how close the house is to maybe fire hydrants or whatever can prevent any damage to happen to the house. Also, the replacement cost can be determined by the size, the age of the house, the style of the house. So, those are the two main things you have to keep at the back of your mind when talking about the cost of your house. So, let's quickly go over specific examples. Let's say a house may cost like 200k to build, but because of the location, you may spend like 300k to build the house. Maybe you want just different locations can just affect the cost of the house. So you are paying for like 300k to buy, but insuring for like 200k in that case. The insurance companies will only charge you for what it will cost to build the house. But maybe you buy the house in a very big city, the cost will be higher. But if you want to insure the house, they will only think about what exactly will be the cost of building it. So the opposite is also true. Assume you have a old house that costs like 500k, but the market value is 350k. You are paying less compared to the cost of the house. So another thing that can determine the cost of insurance is is your credit score actually, because you might have a friend that has a good credit score, but you don't have a good credit score. The insurance companies will go over your credit score and determine what will be um, an advantage to them. So there are some quick fixes to improve the quality of your the insurance cost of your house. The first one is installing fire and burglar alarm, installing water sensors, package your home with other insurance like auto insurance. So I recommend you go over the two factors that determine the cost of insurance, the market value and the replacement cost, to determine how much your house will cost, because it doesn't really have a stable you can't determine the cost of your house just anyhow. You have to put all those factors into considerations before you come up with a price tag.